Yes, welcome. We're going to be learning about the functions of the cell components. In the previous class, we drew the plants and animal cells, isn't it? So when we drew these cells, we identified some components of the cells, like the nucleus of the cell membrane, isn't it? The cellular cell wall, the mitochondria, the vacuole, the cytoplasm, isn't it? Those were the components that we identified. What are the functions of these components that we had earlier identified? Number one is the nucleus. The nucleus is the spherical dense part of the protoplasm. It is spherical, dense, it contains matter. You understand? It is heavy. The nucleus is the spherical dense part of the protoplasm. It contains thread-like material called chromosomes. The nucleus contains what? Thread-like material called what? Chromosomes. And when we are talking about the fact that the cell contains information, most of these things are contained in the nucleus of the cell, isn't it? Contains chromosomes. And it is responsible for the manufacture of RNA, ribonucleic acid. Is that clear? Now we'll talk about the cytoplasm, which is the gray granular jelly that make up most part of the cell. You see that in that cell structure that we drew, that empty side that we did not indicate anything inside it, we labeled it as what? Cytoplasm, isn't it? It is what makes up most of the part of the cell. They contain water, protein, and what? Sugar. The cytoplasm contains what? Water, protein, and what? Sugar, and other things. And it performs most function with the nucleus. Is that clear? It combines with the nucleus to perform most functions of the cells, such as division, excretion, and what? Translocation. Is that clear? Then another component of the cell is the cell or the plasma membrane, the cell membrane, which is actually the outer layer of the cell that protects the cell and controls selective passage of substances. Is that clear? The outer layer, that's the cell membrane. It controls what enters the cell and leaves, isn't it? It controls selective passage of substances in the cell, and it also protects the cell. And it is made up of protein and what? Lipids. Lipids is fast and oil, I hope you know. So it's made up of proteins and lipids. Now we'll talk about another component known as mitochondria. Known as what? Mitochondria. The mitochondria is a spherical or elliptical double-layered organelle containing crystal. It contains what we call what? Crystal. It is regarded as the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. And Jam is going to ask you which of the following components of the cell is regarded as the powerhouse of the cell. You should know that it is the what? Mitochondria. Why is the mitochondria the powerhouse of the cell? Because it's the center that is responsible for what? Respiration and energy production in the cell. Is that clear? You know the generator is the powerhouse. When you go to a building, you go to the powerhouse where the generator is, because it provides the light that shines, the energy in the house. You understand? So the mitochondria at the same time provides respiration and energy. And that is why it is called the what? That is why it is called the what? The powerhouse of the cell. Now we're going to look at other components of the cell, other components of the what? Cell and their functions. And what we're going to look at now is the cell wall. Does plants have cell wall?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Does animal have cell wall? No. So the cell wall comprises middle lamella, primary cell wall, and secondary cell wall. Is that clear? This cell wall is comprises of the middle what? Lamella, the inner cell wall, and the what? Outer cell wall. That's what the cell wall is made up of. The function is that the middle lamella is actively dividing and is found in the meristematic regions. The primary cell wall synthesizes cellulose. The secondary cell wall contains lignin, which gives rigidity and makes it impermeable. Plants possess extra strength and support from the secondary cell wall. So we have the middle lamina, we have the what? Inner, or call it the what? Primary cell wall, and we'll have the what? Secondary cell wall. So those are the parts of the cell wall. You understand? The middle lamina, the primary cell wall, and the secondary cell wall. So what's the function of the cell wall? The various parts of the cell wall have various functions. The middle lamina is responsible for what? Actively dividing the cell into the primary and secondary regions. The primary cell wall synthesizes what? Cellulose. The primary cell wall does what? Synthesizes cellulose. Whereas the secondary cell wall does what? It provides rigidity. It provides what? Rigidity to the cell. It gives it strength. Provide rigidity to the cell. And that's why plant cells normally have this. Then we also have what we call the ribosome, the ribosome, which is responsible for what? Responsible for protein what? Formation. It is always found in the cytoplasm. The ribosome is found in the cytoplasm and it is responsible for protein formation. Exactly.